AP Chemistry Unit 6.9 Hess's Law. If a chemical equation can be produced by adding several other chemical equations, the overall enthalpy change of the summed equation equals the sum of the enthalpy changes of the other chemical equations. Basically, if we can produce our necessary overall reaction by combining multiple reactions, we can go ahead and figure out the overall enthalpy change of our reaction of desire. Okay, so the rule for Hess's law. Number 1, if a reaction is reversed, the sign of the enthalpy change is also going to be reversed. Number 2, if a reaction is multiplied or divided by a number, the enthalpy change must also be multiplied or divided by that same number. Number 3, if a reactant matches a product, then they can be canceled out. We don't have to include their individual enthalpies in the overall calculation. And finally, the overall enthalpy change is then going to be the sum of all of the individual enthalpy changes.